The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we are going to make a class that we already have, count info, which is serializable, and protect the social security number so it's not transmitted along with that information. As always, these files are available for download using the link provided below in the description. We'll pause for a couple seconds so that you can download it, and then you can follow along with us. All right, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to account info. Here's our class definition. We notice that implement serializable, and we want to hide the social security number or SSN. The way we're going to do it is going to add a keyword before our data type for the social security number. So I'm going to come here to where it says private and string, and in between it, I'm simply going to add transient. Transient is a keyword that lets us know that if something's serializable, we're not going to include that information in with our data. This way, we're able to send all of our data that is not PII or personally identifiable information, something that doesn't have to be encrypted or secure. Doing this allows us to withhold sensitive information from the data that's being serialized. This makes it a little bit more secure. Remember, this does not encrypt the information, so it's not totally secure. There are still chances of there being problems. However, it's much safer this way. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If so, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to see more videos on how to get better at programming.